What should I do if a driver causes a blue screen of death? Imagine your computer suddenly crashes with a blue screen and stops working. It can be scary, but most of the time it's caused by a device driver issue. Let's figure out what to do when this happens. First, when a driver causes a blue screen, Windows usually shows an error code or the name of the driver file involved. Write down this information because it helps identify the problem. You can also use tools like Event Viewer or Blue Screen View to analyze crash dumps and find the faulty driver. Next, check if the driver is outdated or corrupted. Visit the hardware manufacturer's website or run Windows Update to get the latest driver version. If the problem started after a recent driver update, try rolling back to the previous version. This can often fix the issue quickly. If your computer won't start normally, restart it in safe mode. Safe mode loads only essential drivers, making it easier to troubleshoot. From there, you can uninstall or update the problematic driver without interference from other software. It's also a good idea to make sure your operating system is fully updated. Windows updates often include fixes for driver compatibility problems. Keeping your system current can prevent many driver-related crashes. Run system diagnostics like CheckDisk to check your disk for errors or SFC to scan and repair corrupted system files. These tools help ensure your system files and hardware are healthy, which can reduce driver conflicts. Power management settings can sometimes cause driver issues, especially with driver power state failure errors. Adjust your power settings or disable selective, suspend for devices that cause problems. This can stop drivers from mishandling sleep or hibernation modes. If you recently added new hardware or software, remove them temporarily. New devices or programs can install incompatible drivers that cause blue screens. Removing these can help identify if they are the source of the problem. If none of these steps work, consider seeking professional help. A technician can diagnose hardware issues or perform more advanced troubleshooting to prevent further damage. Understanding how device drivers work is key. They act as bridges between hardware and software, allowing your operating system to communicate with devices. Different systems manage drivers differently. Windows relies heavily on vendor drivers and uses mechanisms like plug-and-play and driver signing to keep things stable. Linux uses open-source drivers built into the kernel, while macOS combines kernel extensions and system drivers. Maintaining updated, compatible drivers is essential. Regularly update your system, be cautious when installing new hardware, and monitor your system's stability after driver updates. This helps keep your computer running smoothly and avoids those frustrating blue screens.